If you're a digital artist that struggles to find the right color palettes, I've got the perfect solution for you. I've been a professional designer for 15 years, and sometimes even I have a hard time finding the right color combinations. So I created an easy way to always have a bunch of professional color palettes at my fingertips, and now I'm sharing it with you. If you're a creator, whether that's a digital artist, graphic designer, photographer, even a DIY enthusiast, you know how important color can be to your work. But finding the right color or a cohesive palette can be tough, and it can take you out of that creative flow. I think we could all benefit from an easy button for finding the right color palette for any project. Well, that's why I created From Pixels to Palettes. It's a set of 50 curated color palettes for you to use in your creative process. Each themed palette features an inspiration photo as well as 5 colors that are sampled from it. You get the hex codes for all of these so you can use them in any project. The curated color palettes in this book are also searchable. You can search by color, keyword, or by set. You can find inspiration for just about any project in here. You may even find some color combinations that you might not have thought of. For example, if we look at this Halloween page, you see of course the usual oranges, but what about bright pinks and purples like in this skeleton picture? That's a more unique palette for Halloween. It might be really fun. The great thing about this book is you don't need to know any color theory to use it. You can grab any of the 50 palettes and start using them right away. No more time spent searching all over Pinterest for new ideas. You can focus on doing what you do best, creating. I hope you found that helpful. I love showing people how to combine creativity and technology on this channel. If you enjoyed it, I would appreciate it if you just took a quick second to give me a thumbs up down below. It really does help out my small channel and just tells YouTube that more people should watch this. You can grab your copy of From Pixels to Palettes at the link in the description down below. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the book.